Hey, this is Naveen Aggarwal, and I have done my summer training under Dr. Prashant Singh Rana. I have done my summer training machine learning. In this summer training, I have built a email spam classifier. Now, you may all wonder what is a email spam classifier is. Email spam classifier classifies your mails in basically two categories: spam and a non-spam. Now, in this world of globalization, you may receive thousands of mails. Some may be malicious, and some may be spam. So, email spam classifier makes your work easy by classifying them as spam or non-spam. Now, this is my GUI. Now, let's take example. Like, I'll take example of spam mail. For example, you have got discount coupon. Now, these type of mails basically belong to the category of spam. Now, let's check what my email spam classifier gives. This may take up to 20 seconds as it builds a model and then gives the result. Now, as you can see, a script alert shows the mail you entered in the box belongs to the category of spam email. Now, let's take example of a non-spam email like, hurry, your attendance is short, as this may be the message you mostly get from your faculties. Now, let's see. As I told you, it may take 10 to 15 seconds. And you can check this belongs to the category of non-spam email. Now I take you to my presentation. It is just right there. Just for a minute. It's that. Now this is my presentation. It contains about 7 to 8 slides. Now let's start this. Now email spam classifier, as I told you, I, I have done my training under the guidance of Dr. Prashant Singh Rana. Now uh, information about the institute from where I have done my training about Thapar University. Now the background, scope and utility of spam classifier. Email spam classifier, as I told, it classifies the mails into two categories: spam and non-spam. I mentioned some data around here. Like in 2014, there were estimated to be a 4.1 billion email accounts worldwide, and about 196 billion emails are sent each day worldwide. Spam is one of the major threats posed to email users. In 2013, 69.6% of all emails flows was spam. Now, design architecture. Design architecture of an email spam classifier, you have some training data like a set of some spam mails and some non-spam mails. Then you apply machine learning algorithms such as support vector machines, regression model, or a neural network, or any model of your choice. But you have to check conditions which I told you to tell you later. Now, when you have built a model, you take a new data and then predict the value and that data. Now, techniques and tools used. I have used Python 3.0 and some of its libraries such as scikit, NumPy, etc. Machine learning techniques such as classification, support vector machines, and neural networks are required to build a spam classifier, as high accuracy can be achieved by using it. Now, I'll give you a basic idea of machine learning. What is machine learning? Suppose there are four balls: one blue, one purple, one orange, and one green. And there is a small kid, and you tell that kid is uh, he doesn't know anything, not about shapes, not about colors, nothing. You told them that there are four balls. This is a blue ball, and this is a purple ball, this is a green ball, this is a orange ball. Now what you will see, the similarity in your sentence. Every sentence contains word ball, and these four things have similarity in their shape. So he thinks that the ball may be the shape, and the other word which you told is the color. Now that is how machine learning works. Now I have done performance results on various algorithms such as SVM, support vector machine, k-means, and neural networks. and I got the highest accuracy for SVM. About accuracy, I've got 96.9 something. So I've applied in my project, and thank you.